Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing a quick, easy glam tutorial. Let's hope that I still remember how to do my makeup because it's been a while. So I'm gonna go from this to this. So go ahead and stay tuned. So I'm gonna start off by using my Dose of Colors foundation, and I have it in the color 112. This foundation works really good with both a brush and a sponge, but my favorite is to use it with a sponge because I do have dry skin and I feel like it just blends out the product way better than a brush. This foundation is really buildable and it doesn't cake up on my dry skin. And it really dries to a nice finish. I normally don't have to even set it. If your makeup does start to look a little cakey, use this Beauty Creation setting spray. It works wonders. And now I'm gonna go ahead and use my e.l.f. Camel Concealer, and I'm gonna place some on my forehead, my chin, and under my eyes. And I like to blend out my chin and my forehead first, that way the concealer under my eyes sets a little bit longer, so I feel like I get more coverage like that. And we're just gonna blend it out with my wet beauty blender. So on a day-to-day basis, I don't set my foundation, but for a more glam look, like in this case, I am. So I'm taking my Kat Von D translucent powder and I'm gonna place it mainly under my eyes and on my eyelids, and a little bit on my forehead, but not completely all over my face. Okay, now for bronzer, I'm gonna go ahead and use a fluffy brush from Real Techniques, and this is the bronzer from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's in the color Saddle, and I'm just gonna chisel out my cheeks. So I mainly bronze like on my cheeks, but if I feel like my face looks really bloated, I'll go ahead and do this right here on my jawline. And what this is gonna do is gonna make you lose 3 pounds. No, but it's gonna make you look like you lost 3 pounds. So I don't have a small brush to contour my nose, so I just squish the brush together and I'm gonna lightly put some bronzer on the sides of my nose just to kind of contour it a little bit. So now I'm taking the Jaclyn Hill highlighting palette, and I believe this is the Flash palette, and I'm gonna be taking that bottom corner yellow shade, and I'm also gonna be spraying my brush before I apply it, that way the highlighter shows up even more intense. And this is the part where I noticed my nose contour looks muddy as heck. So I'm just gonna go ahead and grab the same brush I used for my translucent setting powder and try to blend that out as much as possible. For my eyebrows, I'm going to go ahead and take this Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil and I'm going to attempt to do my eyebrows since it's been so long. I hope I remember. Okay, now
Now for eyeshadow, I'm grabbing the Morphe 35H palette and those two brown shades, and I'm going to put those on my crease and blend it up. And I'm going to be going back into the color just to get the right color that I want, because I do want to go a little bit darker than this. Now I'm grabbing those same brown shades and I'm just going to blend that on my lower lash line. As my base, I'm going to take this Stila eyeshadow in the color Kitten and I'm going to place that on my eyelid. Be careful with this color because I got so much fallout, so try to just slowly tap that color on. And if you do get a little bit of fallout, just go ahead and wipe that off with the same brush that we use for our translucent powder. Now for the star of the show, I'm going to go ahead and use this liquid eyeshadow by Stila, and this is in the color Opal Ice. We're going to place this on top of that Stila color. This eyeshadow is beautiful. It has like purple specks that just, when the light hits it, it looks super pretty. So go ahead and put that on the inner corner as well so that it opens our eye. Now I'm taking a CoverGirl black eyeliner and I'm gonna go ahead and line my upper lash line. I'm also gonna go ahead and line my lower lash line, and then I'm gonna draw a straight line on my lash line. So I'm taking that same bronzer that I used earlier and an angle brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and pack that color where I put the eyeliner, and I'm also gonna try to smudge it out a little bit so it's not as harsh. Here I'm taking my IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara and I'm going to go ahead and put around 2 layers on both the top and bottom lashes. And if you guys haven't tried this mascara, you need to try it. This is like my all-time favorite. It does not smudge on me whatsoever and it's really buildable. For my lip color, I'm going to go ahead and grab the LA Girl lip pencil in Blushing and the Dose of Colors liquid lipstick in the color Nude Mood. To make my lips look more plump, I like to pucker up my lips like this and I like to draw these lines, and this is gonna give some dimension to your lip color as well. So fun fact, this was actually my first time trying this lip combo and I think it's so pretty. It's like the perfect pinky nude color. So this is the final look. If you don't want to wear eyelashes, it still looks really pretty. So I'm trying on these eyelashes and tell me why they're so huge. They're actually freaking flying away. Look at that. There they go. Yep, I didn't catch them. Nope. So I don't know where those lashes went, but I'm going to go ahead and use these by Yalorde lashes in the style Amantes. and I'm using the duo glue.
This is the final look. I really like how it turned out, considering that I haven't done my makeup like as consistently as I usually do. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this look. It's super quick but super glam too. And this lip combo, that's my new favorite lip combo. If you made it this far, go ahead and leave a butterfly emoji so that I know that you stayed until the end. So once again, thank you guys for watching my video, and go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the like button, and go ahead and share my video. I would really appreciate that, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.